Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our auxiliary option that is within our CAD feature, and this will also be for the vertical line. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now today's video should be shorter than the previous one, seeing that we're going to be looking at the same feature just on a horizontal plane. Now like I mentioned, let's say you want to take a design and you want to limit it within a space. Let's say you're looking at around 500 by 500 design. It could be broader, it could obviously be depending on your requirements. But for the sake of the sample, I'm going to do that. Now what I want to do is add some ones on a vertical plane to define the horizontal space. Now I'm going to go 600 just so that we can have a slight better or breathing room in our design, so we don't have to work exactly on the lines. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the actual feature for the guide, and then I'm going to go the vertical line, click that, and then the first one I'm going to add 0. Or what you can do is you can also go minus 300 and add 300 if you want 0 in the center, but I like 0 being bottom left. So I'm going to say okay. Let's zoom out, find that line, there we go, and then we add another one quick. So I'm going to click on the same button and then make this one 600. Now we should have a nice square for working space, and we know while we're working, anything that happens within the space is kind of controlled and we don't easily go out of it. So that way also, if you place a space and it's not in this, you kind of have an idea that it should be adjusted. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the vertical auxiliary or guides. And if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice that we have a variety of different softwares we do cover. You can also isolate your search on the top right if you don't find what you're looking for. And then we also have this nice little, you can isolate the search on the top if you're looking for something specific. And if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.